A step-by-step guide to fidelity checks begins with understanding the concept of fidelity, which refers to the accuracy and reliability of a measurement or representation. Fidelity checks are essential in various fields including psychology, education, and research to ensure the integrity of data collection and implementation of interventions. The first step is to define the purpose and scope of the fidelity check, which involves identifying the specific procedures or interventions being implemented and the key components that need to be measured. This step helps to determine the type of fidelity check to be conducted, whether it is a process check, an outcome check, or a combination of both. The next step is to develop a fidelity checklist, which is a detailed list of the essential components of the intervention or procedure being implemented. This checklist serves as a guide for observers or raters to evaluate the extent to which the intervention is being implemented as intended. The third step is to select the methods for conducting the fidelity check, which can include direct observation, review of audio or video recordings, or self-report by the implementers. The choice of method depends on the nature of the intervention and the resources available. The fourth step is to train the observers or raters on the use of the fidelity checklist and the methods for conducting the fidelity check. This step is crucial to ensure that the fidelity checks are conducted consistently and accurately. The fifth step is to conduct the fidelity check, which involves observing or reviewing the implementation of the intervention and completing the fidelity checklist. This step provides valuable information on the extent to which the intervention is being implemented as intended. The final step is to analyze and report the results of the fidelity check, which involves summarizing the data collected and identifying areas for improvement. This step helps to refine the implementation of the intervention and ensure that it is being delivered with high fidelity. Throughout the process, it is essential to ensure the reliability and validity of the fidelity check by using standardized procedures and trained observers or raters. Additionally, it is crucial to maintain the confidentiality and anonymity of the implementers and participants involved in the fidelity check. By following these steps and best practices, fidelity checks can provide valuable information on the implementation of interventions and procedures, helping to ensure that they are delivered with high accuracy and reliability. This in turn can lead to better outcomes and more effective interventions.